The bull run has officially begun with the Trump pump. This is your final call to financial freedom, and I'm here to make sure you're on the right track. In all my videos, I make it a point to call out cash grabs and vaporware projects. And this one's no different. Today, I'm going to rank a few projects you'll want to avoid like the plague, plus a couple that have that perfect mix of hype and potential for an insane pump this bull run. Stick around until the end, trust me, you won't want to miss it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Decoder. Today we're diving deep into the AI crypto space, one of the hottest narratives this cycle, with some projects blowing up left and right. I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on what's worth holding on to and what might just be hype. Just a heads up, none of this is financial advice, so remember to do your own research before aping in. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to start things off with Delysium. I'm bullish on this. It is an AI project focused on creating a network of AI agents that communicate securely and scale efficiently via blockchain. Their standout use case is Lucy, an AI agent in beta that handles on-chain tasks like token transfers and trading. The project has a strong team and solid tokenomics, with 40% in circulation and an extended vesting schedule showing long-term commitment. They're gaining traction on socials with decent exchange listings. In terms of growth, I see a 15 to 20x potential in a base case, and up to 30 to 40x if AI agents like Lucy go mainstream. Next up is Render. It is a well-established project that can serve as a solid foundation for the AI DeepIn section of your portfolio. While it may not deliver a 30 to 40x return, I believe it offers an excellent risk-reward profile. At its current price, a 10x return seems very achievable. Alright, let's talk about Akash Network. Now, Akash 2 is an older project from 2020, and I'll be honest, I tend to lean more towards newer, shinier coins and try to limit the dino coins from the last cycle. Honestly, I don't hold any myself. But here's the thing, Akash is actually a solid project in the decentralized cloud computing space, and despite not having the same hype as some of these fresh projects, it's got real potential. At its current price, a 10x isn't out of the question. It may not be the flashiest coin right now, but if you're looking for something with good risk-reward and long-term growth, Akash could be worth a look. Next up, Solidus AI Tech. It is a solid project aiming to build an AI-powered ecosystem with a sustainable data center and GPU marketplace. The team has extended the vesting schedule to reduce sell pressure, and they're actively building visibility on major platforms like CoinMarketCap. At the current price, AI Tech has the potential for a 20 to 30x return this cycle. Aethir is a solid project with strong funding and a successful node sale that further boosted their financial backing. They're listed on all major exchanges except Coinbase and Binance, which are likely to come soon. Aethir claims to have 20x more GPUs than Render and 45x more computing power than Akash, which is impressive. While their high FDV might raise some concerns, the majority of token unlocks won't happen until 2026, which helps reduce immediate sell pressure. I believe this could easily achieve a 20x return, with a 10x being a more conservative estimate. 0x0 is a solid project, but recently the founder has been absent, which hasn't sat well with the community. Additionally, their mainnet launch has taken longer than expected. I got in early at $0.025 back in April 2023 and might take some profits soon. I also have concerns about the privacy narrative, as I believe it will face regulatory hurdles, even under the Trump administration, which could impact exchange listings. That said, the project still has potential, and I think it could definitely deliver a 10x return. GLQ is an older project from the last bull run, with a rebranding in March that has really worked in its favor. The project has pulled off an 8x from last year's bottom, and with a market cap of just $30 million, a 20x seems reasonable. Spectre AI is a small-cap gem that I got into early at 60 cents in March 2024. They've been around since 2023 but haven't been listed on any exchanges yet, which is a concern. However, the price chart looks decent, and I'll look to take some profits if they don't manage a listing by Q1 2025. Given its low market cap, I think it could do a 30x. Forta is essentially a YouTuber shill coin, and in my opinion, it's a hard pass. If you're convinced about it, I'm sorry, but my only advice is to take a look at the 90-day chart and learn when to cut your losses. Zero1 Labs is one I'm bullish on, and I went into detail in my recent review video. They've updated their vesting schedule, putting 80% of the supply on hold for the first 12 months, great sign for the project. Zero1 Labs provides private and compliant builder solutions for on-chain AI apps, making it a cheaper alternative to Bittensor TAO. With a strong team from Wormhole, Solana, and Orderly Network, I'm confident this could easily do a 20x. SI is a project I'm not particularly bullish on. The merger of Ocean, Singularity and Fetch still lacks clarity, and I believe the individual projects would have performed better on their own. I don't hold any and have no plans to. I see a maximum 5x potential here, but personally I'd rather go with Bittensor TAO for better returns. Speaking of which, Bittensor TAO is a standout. It really needs no introduction. As the leader in its category, this powerhouse is poised to deliver an easy 10x. AIT Protocol is another project I'm not particularly bullish on. Will it do well in this bull run? Probably. But do I have better options? Absolutely, and plenty of them. So, for me this is a definite pass. Alright, let's talk about ChainGPT. This is a pretty exciting project in the AI and blockchain space. It's a multifunctional platform that covers everything from chatbots to smart contract auditing and even NFT generation. So, it's got a lot of utility for developers and crypto enthusiasts. The team's ambitious and the growth so far has been impressive. It hit an all-time high of 52 cents with a market cap over $200 million, but has since pulled back more than 50%. Still, it's a legit project with room to grow, and I think this could easily pull a 20x from here. Definitely one to keep on your radar. Now let's talk about Sleepless AI. So this one's a bit of a mixed bag. It's centered around a virtual boyfriend/girlfriend game, which might have a dedicated fan base, but I've got some concerns. The tokenomics are a bit shaky, and there's a lack of transparency when it comes to investors, plus the team isn't fully doxed. Yes, it's listed on Binance, which gives it some volume, but honestly there are safer, more legit projects that could give you a 10x without these red flags. For me it's a hard pass on Sleepless AI. Atlas Navi is a drive-to-earn DeepIn project that saw a solid rally earlier this year and is now in a consolidation phase. This is one of my higher conviction micro-cap bets, as they have a working product and strong backing. Atlas Navi has secured a €1.6 million EU grant to invest in AI infrastructure, which adds to their credibility. With a market cap under $15 million, I believe a 50x return is very achievable in the upcoming bull run. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to check out my other AI-related videos and I'll see you there.